How to easily memorize Articles 1 to 4 of the Indian Constitution with logic and exam questions. Most students try to memorize the Constitution by rote learning and forget it after exams. But what if I tell you that Article 1 to 4 can be remembered forever using just one simple story and 4 keywords? Now let's understand it logically and not mechanically. Why Articles 1 to 4 are extremely important for competitive exams? Article 1 to 4 fall under Part 1 of the Constitution and it's related with the Union and its territory. These articles are favorites for UPSC, State PCS, SSC and other competitive exams. So based on these articles, 3 types of questions are generally asked, such as direct questions, concept based questions and repeated previous year questions. Now let us understand Article 1 to 4 clearly. In simple words, they answer 4 basic questions. Number 1, what is India called? Number 2, can new states be added? Number 3, can existing states be changed? And 4, do such changes need constitutional amendment? Article 1, Union of India. Article 1 says, India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of states. Related with this article, a most important question is asked like, why is India described as a union of states and not a federation? The answer is because Indian states do not have the right to secede. The union is indestructible while states can be reorganized. This shows the strong center in Indian federalism. Keyword to remember with this article 1 is name. Now let's move to Article 2. Article 2 is related with admission of new states. It empowers Parliament to admit new states into the Union and establish new states. From this Article 2, a very common question is frequently asked like, Parliament can admit new states under which article? The answer is under Article 2. Keyword to remember with this Article 2 is add. Now let's move to next article, that is Article 3. Article 3 is related with alteration of states. This article gives power to the Parliament to do the following things such as alter or change name of a state, change area, change boundary, create a new state by reorganization. From this Article 3, a very common state PCS question is frequently asked like, creation of Telangana was done under which article? The answer is under Article 3. Now, the key word to remember for this Article 3 is alter. Let's move to next article, that is Article 4. Article 4 is related with effect of laws. This article clearly says that laws made under Article 2 and Article 3 do not require constitutional amendment under Article 368. Why? Because if Parliament is given power to add or alter states, then making such laws should not be treated as constitutional amendments. The key word to remember for this Article 4 is law. Now, a super duper important one line memory trick is NAAL, NAAL formula. NAAL. N stands for name. Name is related with Article 1, that is India or Bharat. A. A stands for admission. Admission is related with Article 2, that is admission of new states. Again A. This A stands for alter. Alter or change is related with Article 3, that is alter or change name, area or boundary. Lastly, L. L stands for law. Law is related with Article 4, that is effect of laws. That means no amendment requires under Article 368. I mean to say, if you remember this super duper formula, that is name, add, alter, law, Article 1 to 4 will become permanent in your mind. Now, highly useful exam tip related with Article 4 is that if Parliament is adding or altering states, no constitutional amendment is needed because Article 4 protects it. Now, my closing line is that if you understand the logic of the Constitution, memorization becomes effortless. Article 1 to 4 are not just 4 articles, but they are complete story.